The Beehive boosts your personal productivity and that of your teams. This is achieved through effective communication using most of the tools that are available today, all combined in one single cloud application. This is how. High-quality video calls with one and with many. From your tablet, desktop, smartphone, and your conference room. Nobody needs to download software. Everybody works from the native browser. You are compatible with 2 billion people in all security, including full data collaboration and content sharing, telephone and conference calls, using landlines, GSM, voice over IP, with many, from any device, text chatting, sending emails, transferring documents, Skype, Google Hangout calls, and there is more. Instant connections using a button on your website without having to change it. When you are not available to take calls, the button simply vanishes from your website. Automatic and dynamic routing to the most suitable person. Profile management with unlimited keywords makes it easy for others to find you rapidly. Sending out video invite emails. Upon acceptance by the receiver, the connection is established automatically without downloading software. The video meeting appointment is synchronized with the agenda in Outlook. Online language interpretation within minutes. Taking messages while you are away. Automatic video or audio answering service during your absence. And, in addition to all this, statistical reports to streamline your business processes. Recording locally or in the cloud, and streaming to the internet and intranet. All this can run on your own private cloud server. The Beehive can be used under white label with your own name and logo. Last but not least, instant online support by skilled service agents, real people helping you out, very swiftly and effectively. Thanks to this unmatched level of service, the Beehive is perfectly suited for mission-critical applications.